This is a quick video about replacing the battery in a Subaru key fob. This is a 2021 Subaru Outback, but most of these are the same. Let's take a look. Let's start by removing the key. There we go. It's stuck in there a while. Next, let's twist apart the key. There we go. Revealing the battery. There we go. Up and on up. Get the new battery. Remove the protection. Slide it in, bottom first. That went easily. Set off my car alarm as I was doing it. It's working already. Let's start putting this back together, going from the bottom. Fairly secure. Oh, it's wrestling with me. Towards the top. Still open. There we go. Everything looks nice and secure. Let's reinsert the key. And let's see what we got. Lock. I can hear it locking downstairs. Unlock. We seem to have a restored key. That's it. It's fast and simple.